I, Pranab Mukherjee, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of President of India and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law.
Shri Pranab Mukherjee assumed office as the 13th President of India on July 25, 2012, crowning a political career of 5 decades of exemplary service to the nation in government as well as parliament. 80 years old, Shri Mukherjee is a man of unparalleled experience in governance with the rare distinction of having served at different times as Foreign, Defence, Commerce and Finance Minister. He was elected to the upper house of the parliament 5 times from 1969 and twice to the lower house of the parliament from 2004. He was a member of the Congress Working Committee, the highest policy-making body of the party, for a period of 23 years. During the period 2004 to 2012, Shri Mukherjee was instrumental in spearheading critical decisions of the government on a range of issues such as administrative reforms, right to information, right to employment, food security, energy security, information technology and telecommunication, setting up of the UIDAI, Metro Rail, etc., through chairmanship of over 95 groups of ministers constituted for the purpose. In the 70s and 80s, he was instrumental in setting up the regional rural banks and the Exim Bank of India, as well as National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. Shri Mukherjee was also author of a modified formula for resource sharing between the centre and the states in 1991, which came to be known as the Gadgil-Mukherjee formula. A powerful orator and scholar, Shri Mukherjee's intellectual and political prowess as well as remarkable knowledge of international relations, financial affairs and parliamentary process are widely admired. He has been acclaimed for his role as a consensus builder on difficult national issues through his ability to forge unity among the diverse political parties that form part of India's vibrant multi-party democracy. A man of humble origins, Shri Mukherjee was born in the small village of Mirathi in Birbhum district of West Bengal as the son of a freedom fighter, Shri Kamada Kinkar Mukherjee, and wife Rajalakshmi on December 11, 1935. Shri Mukherjee's father was a Congress leader who endured great hardship, including being sent to jail several times for his role in India's struggle for independence. Shri Mukherjee acquired a master's degree in history and political science, as well as a degree in law from the University of Kolkata. He then embarked on his professional life as a college teacher and journalist. Inspired by his father's contribution to the national movement, Shri Mukherjee in 1969 plunged into full-time public life following his election to the upper house of the parliament. Under the careful mentoring of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Shri Mukherjee's rise in his political career was rapid. He was made Deputy Minister, Industry, Shipping and Transport, Steel and Industry, and Minister of State for Finance in the period 1973 to 74. He assumed office as Finance Minister of India for the first time in 1982 in the cabinet of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and was leader of the House in the upper house of Parliament from 1980 to 1985. Later, he was Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission from 1991 to 1996, Minister of Commerce from 1993 to 1995, Minister of External Affairs from 1995 to 1996, Minister of Defence from 2004 to 2006, and once again the Minister of External Affairs from 2006 to 2009. He was the Minister of Finance from 2009 to 2012 and leader of the lower house of the Parliament from 2004 to 2012 till he resigned to contest election to the office of the President. Shri Mukherjee has extensive diplomatic experience and has served on the Board of Governors of the IMF, World Bank, Asian Development Bank and African Development Bank. He has led the Indian delegations to the Commonwealth Finance Ministers Conferences in 1982, 1983 and 1984, the United Nations General Assembly in 1994, 1995, 2005 and 2006, the Conference of Commonwealth Heads of Government at Auckland in 1995, the Non-Aligned Foreign Ministers Conference at Cartagena in 1995, and the conference to mark the 40th anniversary of the Afro-Asian Conference in Bandung in 1995. A prolific reader, Sri Mukherjee has authored several books on the Indian economy and on nation building. Some of his popular titles include Saga of Struggle and Sacrifice, Thoughts and Reflections, The Turbulent Years, etc. He has many awards and honors conferred on him, including India's second highest civilian award, Padma Vibhushan in 2008, the Best Parliamentarian Award in 1997, and the Best Administrator in India Award in 2011. Sri Pranab Mukherjee is the recipient of honorary doctorates from different universities, including Russian Diplomatic Academy, Belarus State University, University of Jordan, Hebrew University of Israel, and Al-Quds University of Palestine. Sri Mukherjee was married to late Srimati Sura Mukherjee, an accomplished singer of Rabindra Sangeet and an artist. He has 2 sons and a daughter. Sri Mukherjee enjoys reading, gardening, and music in his spare time. Simple in his tastes, Sri Mukherjee is a dedicated patron of arts and culture.